Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Sandal College Boys Section Online Class 7. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Here is Akhtar Saeed, your English teacher. Today is lecture number 50, Unit 4. The name of the unit is The Cario Murder Case. A very interesting story full of suspense. As you know, we have completed its text and today inshallah we'll start its exercises. We'll start with part A. Part A is comprehension. You know, comprehension is always one of the most important and interesting activity of the lesson. Question number 1 of comprehension. That is short questions. A. What phrase does the author use at the start of the text to show the reader that time has passed? The answer is nearly a year later is the phrase that the author has used. Nearly a year later is the phrase that tells us the time has passed. B. Who were the two men involved in the crime and how did the witness feel about each of them? Sir Danvers Carew and the criminal Mr. Hyde were involved in the crime. The maidservant did not like Mr. Hyde, but she liked the old gentleman for his politeness. Sir Danvers Carew and the criminal Mr. Hyde were involved in the crime. The maidservant did not like Mr. Hyde, but she liked the old gentleman for his politeness. C. Which type of animal is the angry murderer compared to? An easy question. The angry murderer is compared to an ape. Ape is a kind of monkey. D. What is Mr. Utterson's profession? Mr. Utterson is a lawyer. Mr. Utterson is a lawyer. E. What was Mr. Utterson's reaction to hearing about the crime and seeing the weapon? Mr. Utterson quailed when he heard about the crime and saw the weapon. He looked serious and felt gloomy. F. What do we learn about the old woman who works for Mr. Hyde? The answer is she is described as an old woman who had an evil face, smoothed by hypocrisy, but her manners were excellent. G. Why will it be difficult for the inspector and Mr. Utterson to find Mr. Hyde? The answer is it would be difficult for them to find Mr. Hyde because he had no family and had never been photographed. All the people described him in different ways. It is a bit lengthy answer, so I would like to repeat it. It would be difficult for them to find Mr. Hyde because he had no family and had never been photographed. All the people described him in different ways. H, that is the last but not the least. Which word meaning searched vigorously? The word whose meaning is searched vigorously is used to describe the state of Hyde's rooms. The answer is ransacked is a word and its meaning is searched vigorously, searched thoroughly, मुकम्मल तौर पर किसी चीज़ की तलाशी लेना. Ransacked is a word used to describe the state of Hyde's rooms. Ransacked is the word used to describe the state of Hyde's rooms. That's all of today's lecture, dear students. I would like to request you kindly to watch this lecture once again for better understanding and write all the questions and answers in your notebooks. If you face any problem, if you have any question, you may comment in the feedback group. I'll be there to answer your questions. Till the next lecture, take a very good care of yourself and your dear ones. Thank you very much.